Welcome to this step-by-step guide on switching to the extended view in Pages on WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress interface and enable a more detailed view for managing your website pages. Begin by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is your starting point where you can access all the features required to manage your site. Once you have arrived on the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find the login option, which is essential to enter your account and gain access to the website backend. Clicking on this login button initiates the sign-in process and allows you to securely manage your content. After clicking the login button, you will be prompted with available sign-in options. At this point, the tutorial instructs you to click on the option that says Continue with Google. This method of authentication offers a convenient and secure way to sign in, as it uses your existing Google account credentials. When you click on Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will be displayed if you are already logged into Google. Simply choose the account that is linked to your WordPress site to proceed with the login process. Once your account has been selected and you are successfully logged in, you will need to navigate to the sections where your pages are managed. Look for the Pages section on your WordPress dashboard. This is a dedicated area where all your website pages are listed and where you can initiate edits or make structural changes. The Pages section is a central feature for anyone looking to manage and maintain the content of their website effectively. Within the Pages area of the dashboard, you will find additional options to customize the view of your pages list. Focus your attention towards the top right corner of the interface where you will see a button labeled Screen Options. Clicking on Screen Options will reveal a panel that lets you adjust which elements are displayed on your pages list. This feature is particularly useful when you need to see more detailed information about the pages that are stored on your WordPress site. After you have opened the Screen Options menu, the next step is to locate the option for Extended View. Extended View is a mode that provides a more detailed layout of your pages and includes additional information that is not visible in the standard view. Enabling Extended View can help you manage your content more efficiently by giving you more context at a glance. Once you have located the Extended View option, within the Screen Options overlay, simply click on it to select that setting. To confirm your changes and apply the new layout mode, you must then click on the Apply button. Clicking Apply finalizes your selection and refreshes the page's listing so that the extended view is now active. You will immediately notice that your pages list now includes enhanced details and additional functionality designed to improve your workflow when editing your website. This concludes the tutorial on how to switch to the extended view in Pages on WordPress. By following these instructions, you have successfully navigated through the login process, reached the Pages section, and customized your view. Enjoy the benefits of the extended view as you continue to manage your content on WordPress with greater ease and transparency.